have this little extended concrete on this side. Little porch. This house looks pretty ready. So we have a little kick plate thing on the door, which I might take off. We'll see what the property manager says and change out the locks, which is something we do on all the properties. We have tile through the heavy traffic areas and what looks like new carpet in the living areas, along with the 2.5-inch faux blinds that we like, upgraded light fixtures, solid what looks like granite counters, undermount sink. We would just add a gooseneck faucet probably, which is very inexpensive, and we already have cabinet pulls. We need a fridge, but the fact that the paint is in good condition, very close to what we typically do, it's a little darker, and there's already so many upgrades like the counters and tile and cabinet pulls. It's really going to make this place more appealing. Plus we have already rock, and we have this great patio cover, although this side of the yard does not get sun almost ever. It is nice to have because of rain. If you have pets, for example, it can be nice to have. Upgraded fan. So the only thing I'm going to point out is just like the little grout lines here. But other than that, I mean, the paint looks great, carpet looks great. This is not tile. Okay, I think this is vinyl plank, I'm not sure, just because I see some of the blue. I'm not 100% positive. Ow. We have closet door guides, closet rod. Tile in here. I don't think you need to change anything in here. This is the same flooring that was in the master. Looks like we have electrical for the dryer. I mean, sorry, not electrical, gas. We have gas. Earthquake straps and a pan. Lots of storage. Oh.